Hello, welcome back. And in today's episode we are exploring East Jaintia Hills. We are hoping to find a beautiful scenic spot here, and there's a group of us. We have Fernand the adventurer with us, and we have a local guide. He's ahead of us, and behind me are two other friends joining us on this exploration. So hopefully we find that beautiful spot, and I will release this video if you could find, if you can find the beautiful spot. But if we are unfortunate, then I won't publish it. So let's see. That is our local guide, doesn't want to show his face. This is Fernand and two other friends joining us, like I said. And look at this beautiful entrance that we're going through right now, guys. So beautiful, with pine trees on both sides. And right now the clouds are starting to come to hug us. We are hoping for a sunny day, but unfortunately it's a moody, cloudy day. Look at this, we're covered by clouds from all sides. The clouds are coming to hug us. It's trying to give us that chilly vibe. We're on top of a hill right now. Not sure whether it'll be visible or not. I'm just trying to go to the edge of this cliff here, and I'll try to show you guys where we are. I'm gonna come back here on a sunny day just to get this beautiful view for you guys. Chal guys, chal. La 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 la. Okay, in just 5 seconds the cloud, it just went away from down the hill. It just went up, and look at this view now. Wow, this is breathtaking, guys. Wow. Fernando, just go and sit on that spot, on that rock there, and I'll take a picture of you. Yeah, just go right now. Just sit, okay?
चला घूमने चला दिन भर मजा वापस लौटाया
And we just found a mini waterfall there, guys. I'll try to go down there and I'll show it to you. Let's see if it's beautiful. And this is the waterfall. Oh, the light was slapper. We've reached our spot, guys, but sadly we're still covered with clouds from all around us. So we will wait for a while. Hopefully all these clouds will go away, and then I'll be able to show the beautiful scenic view to you guys. And right now we're trying to find a shelter from the pouring rain. We are now going to find one waterfall that is somewhere near here, and Fernando here will take us to that waterfall because he's the one who found it on Google Map.
Nah, guys, tiba chum the waterfall. Pak kata tang Google Map the jerong mah the waterfall. Aku kata lu sawah siapa? Nah, sawah naik kan Meghalaya kamu di bambu ini.
Oh, hey, apa ni? Oh, tu kan tu
Yang
So we just found a way. I think hopefully this is the way to the waterfall, and
nah itu
we will show it to you guys.
Ini Evit.
This is the waterfall. The water is muddy, and we actually reached from the top of the waterfall. Unfortunately, we couldn't find the way to go all the way down. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys from up here. We are now heading back to the valley. Hopefully the clouds are not taking a nap there anymore. And this is our spot, guys. We're on top of a hill now, and down there is the valley, and it's called Liphaulum in our dialect. The clouds are coming again. It's not visible. We'll wait for a while and hope so these clouds will go away again, and I can
चला घूमने चला दिन भर मजा वापस लौट आया कल फिर से जाऊंगा चला घूमने चला दिन भर मजा रात भर सोया कल फिर से जाऊंगा.
So that was the view, the spot that we came to find. And right now the locals are still doing plantation, so the fields are not green, but by July and August, September, October it will be twice beautiful than this. So we are gonna come back after this month, and I will do another video and I'll show it to you guys. Just stay tuned until nearly slept. Stay tuned until July or August. We'll come back and I'll take a good video of this place, and we're gonna come on a bright, beautiful, sunny day so that we will have the best view and the experience. Alright, now we're going to enjoy this delicious meals that are prepared.
फिर से जाऊंगा
Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, leave a comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.